The McRIB is back? Nope, not in Canada.
No, we're not gonna let this bring us down. No McRIB, no problem. In good old kind of cooking fashion, we're going to make it at home. The McRib is a boneless rib patty slattered with sweet but tangy barbecue sauce. It's topped with pickles and onions on a soft white bun.
Oh yeah.
It's a mystical sandwich and it pops out every now and then. The last time we had it was in 2010.
It was a much simpler time back then. We were young, we were poor, and I was really fat. Probably from the McRib. Research time.
This is not a simple weeknight project. This is going to take you a full day Sunday to complete.
A full day to complete? Ain't no one got time for that. Now, I'm a huge Kenji fanboy. One time, when he commented on my Reddit post, I went nuts.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
But today, I'm looking for something quick and dirty. I'm going to recreate the real thing. But what is a real thing? Apparently, the McRib is made out of pork shoulder. Step 1. Mince the meat. Cut your pork into 1-inch cubes. Then, you can use your knife, you can beat it with sticks, use your meat grinder, or... Why the heck did I put the lid on? Place it in the food processor along with a bit of water. It's violent. Okay, that looks pretty good. We're not looking for pink mush here. So once you have a texture like this, we're good to go. Pour your minced pork into a bowl and add salt to taste, sugar, rib seasoning, which is optional, and cornstarch.
We interrupt your regular programming with
education time.
We're going to use Chinese meat patty techniques to create the texture and feel. Meat is made up of the protein molecules myosin and actin. So when you mince up the meat, it breaks down the protein structure and it will be crumbly if you cook it as is. To solve this, we're going to stir it in one direction. This will untangle the protein molecules into strings, then tangle them back together so it sticks together to create that
smooth texture.
That's why Chinese meatballs, patties, and dumplings are not crumbly. And now, if you want some of that yoga mat texture, you need to throw it down. This process will squeeze out the air and compact the meat so it has that QQ bite. If you find this information interesting, give us a like and subscribe with the notification bell. If you didn't understand it at all, it's okay, just do it. It works. Now back to your regular programming.
We probably could have just done all of this in the food processor, would have made my life easier. But I wanted to feel it. You can see that it's all stuck together now. And it doesn't break apart. How many times do I usually slam it?
Not that many times.
You can see that it's really starting to come together. It's just a giant meatball now. Here's an alleged photo of the McRib. So how am I gonna make these molds? Okay. I didn't realize, but we have a little piece of meat all over the place. So we couldn't find hoagie rolls or sandwich rolls, so we have hot dog buns. Should be good enough. This box makes about 3. It's a little deep. This pan should work. This only makes 3, I need to make 4. Maybe this is the best idea. Let's split it in 4 first, then I'll try to make it. Take 1 out. One, 3. So if anyone has any suggestions on how to better make this mold, leave it in the comment section below. I think the ridges, what I'll do, I'll cut off the ends. A couple of pieces here, okay. Okay, something like that. 1 ridge. I don't know if this is gonna work. Maybe I could have just gone like that. It's a ridge. Oh, it's actually not bad. You can make it immediately, but it's better if you freeze it.
Much later.
It is time to finish it off. Let's take a look. Looks exactly the same, but hopefully it'll look better once we grill it up. So let's get out there. Welcome to Canada. Nope, we're gonna finish with emerald. What happened to this guy anyway? I like having grill marks, but I hate cleaning this thing. And you guys know what I mean. So I put down this non-stick mat and it eliminates all the cleaning. Pour a bit of water on and cover it with the lid.
Owie!
Lost a piece. This helps it to steam and cook faster. Flip and add your first layer of glaze. And then more glaze. And more glaze. And more glaze. Then flip. Hey, it kind of looks like it. Use your favorite barbecue sauce here. Something tangier would work best. My favorite combination is barbecue sauce, ketchup, and a bit of water to thin it out. Toast your bread without burning it. Place your patty down, brush with another layer of barbecue sauce, add your pickles and sliced onions. Don't forget the signature press. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Looks and taste legit. Take a bite and click the next video.